Volkswagens and reliability. Hardly ever used in the same sentence, and for good reason. Came out today and we have a new puddle sitting outside. Thought it may be old oil that kind of ran through the little bottom tray. Nope, that's coolant. And as you know, I just filled this up the other day on my last video with more coolant, and it is just seeping out. So we got it on the low car friendly ramps there, link in the description below, and we're gonna take out the bottom tray and hopefully see where this is coming from. I get the fun job of removing 8 or so T20 screws. Let's go. All right, I don't believe it's the water pump. There would be a lot more coolant being lost during drives. This one just kind of went half low within the week. So there is a lot of buildup of coolant here, but then again, you see how it runs up? So it's probably leaking from up a little higher maybe. But what I'm gonna do, we're gonna start the car and then just hopefully we get lucky and see if we see the leak. Engine's been running for about maybe a minute. It's not leaking from those connections. I believe it's coming from somewhere higher. Now if you do this, be very careful. There's fans right here. Don't just shove your hand up there. It can be very dangerous. Luckily, it is cold enough that the fans aren't on, but honestly, never put your hand right there. So that's where I was looking, right down there. And I don't really see anything. Now we're going to check. The water pump location is pretty much behind this intake manifold. All right, I think I see something. That is wet. I've also been lately having issues with this thing starting. I don't think it's a battery issue. It seems like it's just kind of choking itself out. It'll start up nicely, but then it'll die. These two things could be related. I don't know for sure yet, but I don't know if you saw that. There's wetness right there. That's right next to the, like I said, the water pump under here. And I believe that's the oil cooler. There's a name for it. I'm not sure 100% if that's what I'm looking at. Everything is just so tight on these engines. See right there? Now there could very well be a leak. Not a big one, but it'll be enough for that to drip down and go down into, well, to run along those hoses. I didn't see anything leaking from those hoses. I was hoping that that's what it was. Let's get this up to temp this time. All right, and we'll run this on. Still got heat. If anybody's needing heat, go check out that heater core replacement. Real easy. Check out that video. It's doing very well. Nothing leaking again. Alright, I cut the engine off. I don't see any more leaking right now, obviously. So it sucks trying to find leaks on this thing because everything's behind this thing. I do see wetness right there. If you look right through there, that's the only thing I see. It's very possible that could just kind of slowly leak while I drive and then pretty much kind of run down the piping and drip down below. The piping itself doesn't look like it's leaking because it would be leaking. It is not. So I'm guessing it's probably there. That's all I have to run with. So Looks like you guys will be getting your wish. I will be doing an intake manifold removal on this engine in the middle of winter. Let's go. I will figure out a time to do it. It does take a long time. It's probably going to take a little bit longer with me trying to film everything for you guys, but I'm going to do my best, and we will track down this leak. I kind of have an idea what it could be, but I don't know for sure. Right now I'm going to let it sit overnight, and then I'll check in the morning, see if there's any new drip locations, and then hopefully it's something minor. But chances are, if it's a Volkswagen, it's probably not going to be minor or cheap. So stay tuned for that. Updates will be coming soon. I'll see you in the next one. It's car jealousy. This is what happens when you don't drive your Volkswagen. Quits on you.